Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that I've been rolling out in the last few updates, and it's actually continuing to roll out with today's Patch Tuesday updates, is the search highlight that is in Windows 10. So now, when you actually click to search for something, you might notice that it's giving you facts of all sorts, like Toro's 205th birthday, and all sorts of information about whoever he was. And, well, a lot of people find that either distracting or just want to have in the search more of what you're doing and don't really care about the search highlights that Bing will actually bring you on this page. Well, you can actually turn it off if you wish. So how to do that? Simply right-click the search icon. On the top, you'll see search. And there you'll see there's a check mark with show search highlights. Just click to remove the check mark. And now, when you click, you'll be back to normal with your own stuff and what you were doing and suggestions depending on what you're actually doing. So this is something that is going to be back to normal if you want it to have like this. So this is something that Microsoft is pushing hard. I mean, there's a lot of these little things that Microsoft is pushing, and you're like, yeah, you're trying to push Bing a little too hard, I think. So this is really, really crazy. And of course, if you don't have it and you want to see if you can get it, or if you want to turn it back on, well, it's the same thing. You just simply right-click on the search icon in the taskbar. You go into search, and there you'll just put a check mark and show search highlights. And we'll be back with today's announcement of the 205th birthday of Toro. So this is something that you can check out if you wish. I mean, it's not of zero interest. There are some highlights of interesting things, and it does pique my curiosity to know who that guy is a little bit. But I think in many work environments that might be distracting. And like I said, that search can actually have a better use and have your own stuff instead of the Bing highlights, for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.